Okay, so we're looking at the Tru 15 bar pump espresso maker. And I have had a lot of espresso makers, a lot of coffee machines, various types of coffee machines. Used to brew my own coffee, used to roast my own coffee, all that good stuff. So just looking at the box here, obviously the espresso cups are not included. I guess I had to point that out. This is model CM6862, and it is a compact. I'm going to go ahead and call this a compact espresso machine because every one that I've had has been twice this size, and it's taken up so much counter space. I actually like this design. I kind of wish it was a little bit taller, and there it is. So let me put this at my eye level, okay? So here is the camera sitting at the bridge of my nose. This is what I see. Normally these things are a little bit taller and extremely wide, but this one is compact. Sorry about that. This one is compact, and it is not very tall. I would say I could put a pitcher next to this thing. Let me see if I've got a pitcher. There's my pitcher next to just to give you perspective here. And I apologize about all the junk in the box. I got Christmas shopping and Amazon stuff coming in, so I got a bunch of cardboard to recycle. But here, that's it. That's the simple design. And in the back here has a removable water tank. Back here is a removable water tank. Pop that out, fill it up with water. I like that because it makes the tank easier to clean. Some of these espresso machines don't have a removable tank in the back, and you're left at the mercy of whatever grows in there with descaling chemicals and all kinds of stuff. This thing allows you to take it out and clean it. And I don't want to disassemble everything, but this will flip open. Once you release it, flip it open, fill it up, you're good to go. I like the plate up on top. Very cool. You can do it a single or a double cup, and they refer to that as a single or double shot. Now your steam wand over here is a little flimsy looking, but it's pretty solid. This is a pretty good solid piece of metal, and it will move out of the way so that you can store it. Obviously you can remove this and empty out any spillage. I'm not going to put this thing into operation because I don't need an espresso machine, and I don't really want to get it all dirtied up when I go to donate this thing. But very nice. Yeah, it's very simple touch button controls. A lot of the machines that I've had in the past were internal buttons, and those internal buttons malfunction and they're hard to press and all that kind of stuff. So this actually gives you a button to physically press. And for me, it just makes it a lot easier because I can operate it by feel instead of doing a flat surface trying to find out which button I'm on. So pretty cool, pretty nice. Typically all of your 15 bar pump operations are the same. You'll have a little carafe thing that you'll slide on here, and it'll pressurize and start pushing the fluid out through the little nozzles, as you can see here. And I believe this has a adjustable cup rating, so you can put 1 or 2 cups of material inside. You know, your espresso beans, whatever it is you're cooking up there. But pretty nice. I like it. I like it. I think you will too. If I could find a link, I'll put it in the description. That should have more specs and everything on it, other than what's on the box. But I thought this was fantastic, and I understand the reason that they made this thing so short. It's because this is actually a warming plate for your cups before you brew, which is really cool. I have to admit, I did not have an espresso machine that had a warming plate on top. But if you want to check it out, there's your cup warming plate. The removable water tank I was talking about. the adjustable steam wand, the drip tray, yep, the portafilter, which is what I was just referring to, and push button controls, all the things that I was personally looking for in an espresso machine. Simple, but effective. All right, hope you learned something, and on to the next.